So hello guys, a day in my life in France. So mag-grocery ko guys ha. And hopefully dili pa siya super tugnaw pagbalik na ko later kay naglakaw na ko, nag-jogging ko. So ato sulo ka, ato sulo. Manaray tang tsipo. So mauna siya guys, ang market there guys. Mauna siyang market. Musulod mi diha. And by the way, outfit check later. So outfit check guys. I'm wearing this. Outfit check. So outfit check. Here is my outfit. So pasulod na ko sa market. So I'm going in. Automatic ko siya as always. So that's it. So this is it. Guys, make sure that we catch you guys. So update guys, nahumanan ako. So napalit na ako tanan akong gusto. Bye. This time papauli na sa balay. Nita jud. Pauli na sa balay guys. Sinabot ako sa balay guys. Bye.